Hey everybody, welcome to our Greene Acres. I'm Teresa. Ben is back on the camera. Today we wanted to show y'all how we grow our own popcorn. We've been doing this for a few years now, and I love to eat fresh popcorn cooked on the stove just about every night I have it. So one year Ben said he was going to grow me some popcorn in the garden, and I was not a believer. I'm like, yeah, right. Well, he did. He grew it that year, and it turned out to be some of the best popcorn I've ever had. So each year we grow popcorn. So we harvested this back in August. We have to let it set up to dry, and once it gets dry, then we will take it off the ear, and then it's pretty much ready to eat. So we're just going to take y'all along and show y'all how we get this off the ear, and we've kind of come up with a little contraption that we've devised that makes it easier for us to shell it. So y'all stay tuned, and we're going to show y'all how we process our popcorn.
This is what she said with a little contraption we set up. We basically it's got wood screws in it inside here, and we set it in this empty bucket, and you can just take the corn and go down in there like this. This one's already been started, but it just kind of loosens them up. Because every ear shell's different. Once you get them loosened up, then you can just come in with your hand, mainly just twist, knock them off. You can pick out the few with your thumb. That's all it is to it. I'll do a whole ear. You can see this one hadn't been. Go ahead and just kind of twist a little. This is mainly, like I said, just to get them started. Because once you get it started, they tend to come off pretty easily. You can see better like over here probably. You got these baskets too that you catch the kernels in like that, and then you can just, all you do is twist.
All right, we'll just give y'all a little close-up of what we made. This is just something very crude, but it really saves time and wear on your fingers when you get it started. If you're only doing a few ears, you could probably do it with your fingers, it'd be fine. But when you have a big, massive bulk of it to do, to shell it, it really can wear on your fingers. So we come up with this, and we've showed y'all kind of how you put the ear down in there and you get it to work, but it's just got some screws in it. Ben drilled a hole through it, and just some scrap pieces of wood. The next process, after we've got it shelled, I'm going to show y'all what we put it in to kind of strain it and just get some of the, stuff off of it. Is if y'all watched any of our videos before, you know that we are total DIY people. So this is some yard sale finds. It's just like some desk organizers, and we found that this works the best because the holes are just the right size to where the popcorn kernels don't fall out. We have this that's like a a really good farmer type sifter, but the holes are just a tad little bit bigger and the kernels will fall through some of the smaller ones. So we're going to use these little desk organizers, and we're going to start straining the popcorn.
So we use the fan to get the remainder of the trash out, and I'll just pour it from basket to basket in front of the fan, something like this. probably see the trash blowing off it. I don't know if you can on the camera, but pretty effective. You can see that's what's left in here is just some scraps and some silks. So we'll just dump that out best we can. Just do this a couple times.
Okay, we've got all the popcorn processed, and when y'all saw us go through the little fan cleaning method, and just to give you an idea of how much popcorn we got and we grew, this is the empty ears. So we got this much popcorn off of these ears right here, and this is about a 6-quart container. So you can see just these few little ears right here made this much popcorn. This is quite a bit of popcorn, y'all. So the next step we're going to do is, after you clean it with the fan, then we want to put it in some jars or some bags, and you want to put it in the freezer. And you want to freeze it for a few days just to make sure you kill, any kind of critters or anything that could be in it. So we'll do that method, and then at the end of the video, we're going to show y'all, while we're popping it, and show you how it pops. So y'all stay tuned for that. I also want to add, after we freeze it, we will blow it again with the fan one more time. We'll do that process again after it's frozen. And I also wanted to add, if any of y'all have ever grown your own popcorn, please comment below if you have a process that you use, because we'd love to hear about it. Now I always salt mine when I put it in the pan with the oil. I put the salt in it, and I also like pepper in mine. So I always put my salt and my pepper on my popcorn, before it starts popping, and that way I've already got what seasoning I want on mine in there. And then I'll put the lid on it, and we're just gonna wait for it to start popping, and hopefully it will. All right, y'all, we popped a little sample for you. I wish y'all could be here and smell it. It smells like the movies in here right now. It smells amazing. So as you can see, it popped. Like I say, I always season mine when I put it in the pan with the oil. You can use olive oil or coconut oil. And don't forget, I'm going to leave the link to this salt down there my friend Nikki told me about. And this is a game changer for your popcorn if you love it as much as I do. Because like I say, I eat popcorn almost every day. So growing your own is just a win-win. So we appreciate y'all coming on today. Don't forget to look us up on Facebook at Our Greene Acres, and also go over and follow Ben on Instagram at OGA Outdoors. And we will see y'all, God willing, in the next video.